Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Shot Specialties. So I've been working in my garden all morning, digging and ripping out all the plants. So we're gonna be making dirt. Not dirt from my garden, but dirt in the kitchen. And what the dirt is the pudding, is the mud, and the cookie crumbs, which is the chocolate cookie crumbs, are the dirt. So let's get started. So I mixed in the chocolate pudding with 2 cups of milk and let it sit for 2 minutes. Then it thickened up, and yeah. So now we're going to do the whipped topping, but before that, we're gonna crush some cookies. So what you do is we break them up a little, like, you can do this way, or this way. This is looking good. So now that we crushed all our cookies, we pour them into the bag. I mean the bowl. Bag. It's already in a bag. Good. And we put this over to the side. And now we spoon in our whipped topping. So let's get the bowl over here. Spoon it all in. That's good. Then we whisk it in. And look at that good stuff. That looks good. And that is about good. So now we get the cup and we take this spatula out and we get a spoon. Got a spoon. And then you just take a scallop, you put it in there, you layer it. You layer it with the pudding, then you do the crumbs. And then back to the pudding, and then you do the crumbs. And back to the pudding again. And cookie crumbs, the last thing. Last and final thing is the cookie crumbs. And then you get some of our edible worms, of course. And we just drape them over the side. We get about 3 in there. And then we get 2 pumpkins. That'll look good. And here we have it, folks. That is how you make a dirt cup, and I hope you make this recipe. I hope you like it. And there's a bell icon at the below the video. Enable all notifications so you get a little pop-up whenever we do a video. And hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.